Welcome class 10. I'm Lalchand, TGT English, KB Lakhanpur. Students, today we are going to learn how to write letters. Letters are of two types: formal letters, which are called official letters, and informal letters, which are called personal letters. Formal letter is a written formality of request to authority of an office, school, college, etc. Types of formal letters. First, letters to editors of newspapers, magazines, newsletters, etc. We write letter to editors to express or share our opinion, observations, and views on a wide range of common issues in a public forum. Second, letters of complaint, just complaining to the heads of public offices or private firms, companies for unsatisfied services and their solutions at their end. Letters of inquiry, inquiring from the heads of public offices, institutions, firms, companies regarding the services they can provide and inviting their quotations for the same. Third, letters of placing orders. To send a written order, the heads, managers, sales managers of goods companies or firms for purchasing books, goods, or other articles. What is a letter of placing an order? This is a written contract of sale and purchase of goods or of services offered between a customer and a supplier. Placing orders for goods, articles, items are considered to be one of the simplest types of direct request to the suppliers. Just keep in mind while placing an order. Language should be formal. No repetition of ideas. Organize sub-paragraphs in the content and take care of word limits. While placing an order, you need not excite your reader's interest. Just state or write your needs clearly and directly. Make sure that you have included all necessary information. So, give clear, complete, and accurate information, because incomplete orders result in delayed deliveries or wrong deliveries. Arrange your order in a tabular form, where we give the detail of required items with quantity. Tabular form is clearer than writing information in sentences. Description, detail, and specification of goods or products. Suppose we are placing order for books, we should mention the title of the book, the publisher, the author, or the writer of the book. For the other items, we should mention color, size, material, pattern or finish, grade or quality, and quantity. We put all the information in a table. See seal number 1, name of the description of item and quantity. Under seal number 1, there we need functional grammar and composition book. We need 10 pieces. Under second serial number, we require Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary, English, 4 pieces, and the Stories of Panchtantra, 10 pieces. While writing in your answer sheet, make a list of your order in a table. Use pencil and ruler to draw the table neat and clean. Terms and condition. Goods condition, date and place of delivery, purchase invoice, bill, voucher, mode of payment, all come under terms and condition. Format of letter. See the format of the letter from the top to its bottom. Sender's address with city name. We leave one space, then mention the date. Then we mention receiver's designation, name of firm, company, then its postal address, city name and state. Then leaving one space, we write subject of the letter, like placing order for books. Then leaving one space, you write salutation, sir or madam. Then we write body or content of the letter. Where the content ends, there we give a complimentary close. Then we put our signature and put the date of signature. We write our name within brackets in capital letters and write our designation in which capacity we are writing this letter. See in detail the top of the letter. Institution, house number or ward, sector, venue, landmark, road or near, such like. Then we write the city name and leaving one space we put the date. Then we write receiver designation like the sales manager. Firm, company, Bharat Book Depot, suppose. Address, My Hira Gate, location in the city. City name is Jalandhar and state Punjab. Then comes subject, placing order for books. Salutation, sir oblique madam, because the sales manager may be a male or female. Then we write content of the letter. Under content, we should arrange the things in such a way. We start with reference of quotation, a replies of inquiries with dates received by organization on the basis of which you are placing order for goods. Then we write the placing order. We place order in the next sentence. We make request that you are ordering for certain things. Here we are talking about books. Then we write the list of the items with all specifications and quantity. And after a table, we make clear all terms and conditions and discounts. At the close, we finish it by a complimentary closing. Yours sincerely or faithfully. We put our signature, date, and write our name with a bracket in capitals and write the designation. Here we take example. You are Harsh or Harshita, librarian of Kendriya Vidyalaya Lakhanpur. You need some books to be purchased for your library. Write a letter to Messrs. Bharat Book Depot, My Hira Gate, Jalandhar, Punjab, placing an order for the books required by you. This letter starts with the name and address of the sender. Here you are writing this letter from Kendriya Vidyalaya Lakhimpur. You write your postal address and district Kathua. Leaving one space, we put date. Then again leaving one space, we write the address or addressee, or in other words, receiver's address, receiver's designation in the company, name of company Bharat Book Depot, My Hira Gate, location in Jalandhar city, and city name Jalandhar, within bracket state Punjab. Then leaving one more space, we write subject of the letter. Without subject, a letter is a great confusion for the receivers. So this is a very helpful tool for the receivers to dispose of your demands. Then before that we do salutation, sir. We start with reference to your quotation dated 5/4/2020, as you learned in previous slides, with comma. I would like to place an order for the books mentioned in the list given below for the Vidyalaya library. So here we start with the reference. We are giving reference of quotation which we received last month, and that quotation has all the information. So taking hint of that quotation, we start with that we are placing order in connection with that quotation. So in the second part, we are placing an order, we are making a request that I would like to place an order for the books mentioned in the list given below for the Vidyalaya library, and then we make a table. In table, we write all our required items with full detail, with their name and description and quantity. Here we are ordering 3 things, and under seal number 1 we have functional grammar and composition book for class 9 and 10. This is a combined book published by Lakshmi Publication Private Limited. We require 10 books. Under second serial number, we require Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary English 4 pieces. Under third serial number, we demand the stories of Panchatantra 10 pieces. After this, we write the terms and conditions. The books should be in their latest edition and proper condition. This is the term and condition. Books should not be of older pattern, older edition. Should be latest edition, and proper condition mean should be very much new. They should not be torn out, worn out. Then we request for the discount. I would be pleased if you could provide us maximum discount on the purchase of these books. Kindly deliver these books at our Vidyalaya on or before 10th of May 2020. So here we mention the venue where we need the delivery. We need that the supplier should deliver our books at our Vidyalaya, and that should be not later than 10th of May. 10th date is fixed for the supplier, that he has to supply the books on 10th or before 10th. At the close, we are mentioning here that we are not only placing order at our own. Librarian has to take permission of his or her principal. So here he or she mentions this order is placed with the kind permission of worthy principal of the Vidyalaya. Then we say thanking you, and leaving one space, yours faithfully, Harsh signature, Harsh in within bracket name and designation. I hope you have understood how to write a letter of placing order. Now draft your own letter given in home assignment. See, under home assignment, you are the sports captain of Army Public School, Kathua. Write a letter to Messrs Pioneer Sports Company, Jalandhar, Punjab, placing an order for a minimum of 4 sports items with necessary details. Ask for discount also. Put your signature as Satinder Singh or Satinder Kaur. Have a very nice day. Stay home, stay safe, and thank you.